Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And today's video is going to be a quick one on My Legion secrets. And first and foremost, how to actually track your results with Warrior Plus or ClickBank or any kind of offers that you're using. But I'm specifically going to be focusing on Warrior Plus today. So I hope this training is useful for you. Let me hop onto my computer and share with you some more. Awesome, guys. So here I am on my laptop and I wanted to share with you more on My Legion secrets. But before I go ahead and talk about My Legion secrets, my results and everything else, I wanted to just go ahead and share with you how it fits into my actual strategy that I'm using with affiliate marketing. So if you're here for the first time on my channel, I want to welcome you. Here we are all about tips that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true, which basically means I specifically focus on affiliate marketing. I have a full-time job. I do this on the side, and I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a summary on how I do it. I use a two-step method to run my entire affiliate marketing journey, and this is how I do it. So today we're going to be focusing on specifically the step number one, which is My Legion secrets to an offer and then get commissions. The reason why I have this structure in place, and I'm going to share with you is very, very openly why I created this. And by the way, in case you're interested, I have a whole course on this entire strategy in the description of this video. So feel free to click on that if you want to get the course. And I go into details with each and every step of the journey. But if I just have to cover the whole thing right now for you, step one is a cash flow generating step. It is a step that I use in order for me to generate commissions. And yes, I cannot guarantee, no one can guarantee you any kind of commissions online. But this strategy has been working for me the whole of 2023, and I'm also doing it in 2024. So I'm going to show you that kind of results, how it is. This whole month I'm focusing on kind of the step up, set up the whole journey itself, how it works, why I'm doing it, and then we will go into more details and more training. But today I want to focus on tracking, on how you can actually track your sales if you are converting. Why I say if you are converting, because with affiliate marketing we focus on two main skill sets. One is copywriting and the other one is advertising. And in my opinion, My Legion secret solves both these problems, because you get access to, and I'm going to share with you in a second, but you get access to 100 to 200 leads every single day with My Legion secrets. So that's the only thing that they're guaranteeing you. They're giving you those leads every day. The conversion of those leads are up to you as an affiliate marketer, is up to you as a marketer on your skill sets, on improving that email marketing. So it solves the problem of going out and actually generating those leads yourself, because getting 100 to 200 leads every day can be time consuming if you want to do it the free way. And that's why I purposely have this step in the first place, step one, which is focused on getting those leads from My Legion secrets. And now my aim is to use email marketing and my copywriting skills to convert those emails into sales. How do I do that? I actually don't even do it in My Legion secrets itself. I focus on Warrior Plus as a platform to get my sales. Okay, so that's the whole entire step. You can do the same thing if you want with ClickBank or with Digistore or any kind of other affiliate marketing offer, okay, that you have. But the concept, the skill sets is still the same. It's copywriting, converting into sales. That's what we're doing. We're not focusing. I'm using My Legion secrets as a email autoresponder itself, because I'm getting those 100 to 200 leads every single day. And I'm emailing those leads every day to get those results. Does this traffic convert? I'm going to show you that in a second. But yes, I can guarantee you that it does convert. But you have to put the work and effort. I cannot say that it will convert for you. But what I will say is that it can. There is a possibility based on the skill sets and the effort and the work that you implement in copywriting, in your emails, to get those conversions. And I share more about that within my course itself, so you can find that linked below. So that's the My Legion secrets in itself. How much does it cost? It costs you $60 the first month and then $30 every single month to maintain. And literally that's my expense for this entire strategy. I don't spend on anything else besides that. That's my monthly expenditure, $30 every single month. And I utilize the funds and the commissions that I get to not go out of pocket and be able to then go to step two. So we're literally focusing on step one here. So that's what My Legion secrets is. If you want to get started with My Legion secrets, I'm going to leave a link below, also in the description and in the first comment. It will be pinned there in case you want to get started. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, because I put out 3 videos every single week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I want to keep this short. I want to keep this concise. I want to make sure that you guys get the most value from this. So let me go ahead and actually share with you how to get that tracking link for My Legion secrets when you are sending your link. So what I do basically is that first and foremost, if you have an offer in Warrior Plus, then you can take that offer and send out an email every single day using My Legion Secrets. So let me just log into My Legion Secrets for a second. Okay, guys, so here I am logged into My Legion Secrets, and just to show you an overview, you can get the quick start video right here and everything here. The moment you get started, 100 leads immediately will be put into your account. And also you will be able to use this mailing system right here to be able to send those 100 leads. Now, what you do is you need to select those 100 leads. You can just click by select the last 100 leads because you will have only 100 leads there. I have 61,000 leads, but I send to 9,000 leads every single day. That's the way I work, at least. So you select those leads, then you enter your subject, and then you enter in your details right here. You click on perfect timing, and then you send. That is what we need to do. But we need a link to send it to. So let me just go ahead and talk about Warrior Plus for a second. Now, Warrior Plus has just actually launched something which is internally, in order for you to be an affiliate for any of the offers that are there in Warrior Plus, it's a $5 fee. So I'm just giving you that information upfront all right now. In order for you to get access to any of the products that are available, you need to pay that $5 fee. It's just a way to keep the spammers away and just focus on the people who are really serious about affiliate marketing to go ahead. It's a low entry, so that having that application in place doesn't really cost that much. It takes $5 literally to get started. But then let's say you get your product, your offer. So you go here, you go to offers, you search your offer. In my case, I have a specific offer that I go through, which is affiliate marketing on crack. That's what I am using as my primary offer. And I'm going to share with you how I get this tracking code right here. So you can see right here, there's a tracking code that says 12 Jan email and it gives you different elements right here. You can see. So I'm tracking right now each and every email that I sent. But how do I do this? First and foremost, and let me just show you guys with My Legion Secrets how I'm actually performing in the last 30 days, or let's just say since January, so that you guys can see, the results that I have. So this is for the last 2 weeks. You can see that sorry, let me just put My Legion Secrets here so you guys can see. I have been getting 1st, 2nd of January, 5th of January, 8th of January. This is 12th of January. All these emails, as you can see right here, are converting. Some of them are, you can see I got the sale on the same day here. Here I got the sale the next day. Here I got the sale the next day. And here I got the sale the same day. So sometimes I'm getting sales immediately as I send out the email with My Legion Secrets, and some days I'm getting it the next day. The point is still we are tracking all these results, right? And the moment I can see that which day the sales convert, I can repeat the same email. So let's just use 12th of 12th of January as an example, okay? If I go to my statistics, you can see right here, if I go to the 12th of January, I have this email right here, which I know that it converts. Now you can see it's not a straightforward email. It is quite long, but I write my own emails, guys, every single day, okay? So make sure that you understand this. And I prefer, and I always teach also, that you guys should be writing your own emails, even if you get swipes, even if you use ChatGPT. Make sure that you do edit them according to your needs, and your messaging is very important. So I very much focus on, guys, this is, start to generate me 4 figures every single month. I'm actually using affiliate marketing part-time, and you can scale it up. So I'm giving elements that I'm personally doing as well in order for me to get those results. And then I have these 2 links right here, strategically placed, and then I send out the email. But these links, as you can see right here, have the tracking link as you have right here. So I know that that email has got that sale, and I can repeat the same things or same elements that I'm using for that email with a newer email so that I get more frequent sales. So that's the whole logic behind it. Now I send it to a sales page. How do I do this? If you have an offer in Warrior Plus, so I'm going to go to offers, and I'm going to go to approved offers only, and I'm just going to choose an offer. Let's choose this secret email system just for you guys as a reference. Okay, so this is your affiliate link that you have. Once you request it, you need to request it, but this is the affiliate link that you have. How can you start using it to track your results every day? So let's say you're adding this email right here, this link right here. All you need to do is copy the link, and I'm going to do it here in Warrior Plus so you can see it itself. I'm just going to copy the link and paste it down so you see it. And then you put /, and let's say today is the 15th of January when I'm making this video. So I put MLGS. Say if you have one account, let's say I have only one account. I don't have more than one account. Remember, I'm using just one account to get these results. I'm putting MLGS, and then I will put January. If you can put Jan 15th, or you can put and any of the dates, right? Jan 15th for me. I will put Jan 15th so it's clear. And then I copy this link right here and I will be able to post it in my email. So when I write an email, so let's just go to mailing settings and I'm just gonna delete this section right here and just say click here now so you understand here now. Okay, so let's say this is the main the main link that they need to click on, right? Now again, please write your own emails. As I said, in my statistics right here, you can see that I have these click here now as the main call to action. So that is what I want them to click on. I'm not saying buy or anything. I'm telling them to click on it and then it's up to them to make that buying decision on whether they want to buy it. But let's say I want to highlight this. I can even underline it if I want. And then I put the link right here and that's it. This is how you get a tracking code and you know exactly which email is able to convert from that. The reason why we're doing this is because data speaks a lot for us and in affiliate marketing itself and gives us a messaging, right? So when we see in our transactions, oh, my Legion Secrets emails are converting, how do I get more conversions of that? Now it's been 3 days since I've got my last conversions, right? So I'm gonna go to my emails and see that I haven't been getting the best emails on the 13th. I didn't do a good job with my email. So I'm not gonna repeat this kind of email again because I've got a very low open rate and a very low click-through rate. But the other emails I can see that are working. So at the end, like let's say 2 weeks into January, I'm gonna stop sending specific kinds of emails and repeat the same emails or similar information in the same emails or different forms of the same information to be able to get more sales. Because I've already made sales in the past, I know that they will convert. And so I'm going to repeat those same things again. But that's how you can add a tracking code. So I hope this was helpful. Again, if you want more information on the whole strategy itself, there are just simply 2 steps. I take 30 minutes a day to implement this strategy. The course is in the description. My Legion Secrets is in the description in case you want to get it. I just wanted to shoot this video quickly to give you an idea of how I track my results with My Legion Secrets. Guys, thanks for watching. Hop on Wednesday because I'm going to go into more details on step 2 and step 2 on Wednesday and Friday both. So make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Again, I wanted to make a quick video this week. Next week, we'll get into more information on the price range of products, how and whether what you should be looking at before you actually make those commissions or decide to make those commissions with My Legion Secrets in the future. Again, I cannot guarantee you any results, guys, but I'm here to share my journey and document my journey as I go along. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.